Chocolate! My favourite. Let's decorate some cakes. Start with 200 millilitres of heavy cream, then 100 millilitres of milk in a pan. Get the heat going and whisk the cream and the milk together until they're bubbling. Pour this mixture over 400 grams of chocolate chips. Then use a whisk to melt the chocolate into the cream mixture. Add 50 grams of butter and combine. Now take a chocolate cake and spread a thick layer of your buttercream on top. Flatten it with a knife, then repeat this step a further 3 times to make a 4-tiered cake. Scrape off the excess buttercream using a large knife and use a piping bag to spread the rest of it around the sides of your cake, like so, flattening it with a knife to make a nice, smooth surface. It gives all your cakes that lovely professional touch. Now pipe over a thick drizzle of chocolate ganache, starting from the edges to create the drops on the side and moving inwards. If you have a rotating cake stand you can use, it makes this job much easier. Once you've covered it, use your knife to even out the top. Now just decorate with a few chocolate glazed doughnuts, perhaps some Ferrero Rocher, perhaps some chocolate balls, and your favourite chocolate bars. The ganache is really easy to stick things to. Wow, this is going to be sweet! Now it's just time to cut out a huge slice and enjoy all your hard work. Delicious. For the next idea, cut out a circle from a chocolate cake slice. Then take another slice and spread over the buttercream that you made in the previous recipe. Use plenty to cover the whole top side. Then smooth it around the sides. Place the ring that you cut out on top. Cover with more buttercream, then repeat this step. Now it's time to pour ganache into the centre of your rings. Use plenty so that it pours all the way to the top. Then add a final layer of chocolate sponge before coating the whole thing in a thick layer of buttercream. Smooth out as before. Once it's smoothed, grate some milk chocolate across the entire top side of the cake. When it's covered, make more shavings and push them softly into the side of the cake. Use your remaining ganache in a piping bag to make little mounds. You can then push Ferrero Rocher into them. Use what's left to make more mounds around the edge of your cake. Wow! Finally, grab a large, sharp knife, cut into the cake, and watch the chocolate flow out. Probably a good idea to serve this cake on a very large plate so that you can keep all the sauce. Super tasty!